say every thought is a spark in the wire. Every little choice just a chemical fire. Everything I want, everything I do was already on its way before I ever knew. Atoms in a line, history in my veins, genes and gravity pulling on the chain. So when I say I chose, when I say I tried, was it really me or just the gears inside? And maybe it's a system that can stand up in the light. Tell me what it cost us when the soul is out of sight. Are we only matter in motion? Waves on a brain-made ocean. If I was bound to believe this way, did I find the truth or just obey? Matter in motion, hearts with no deeper devotion. You can map what the body does, but can you tell me why truth matters to us? You can say my reasons are just neurons that fire, a courtroom speech from a physical choir. Maybe I was caused to say what I say. Maybe I was never free to walk away. Then what becomes of guilt? What becomes of blame? What becomes of justice when no one chose the shame? Punished for protection, lock the danger down. But is there real deserving when no will can be found? And maybe it's coherent, maybe sharp and clean, but it leaves a shadow over what our choices mean. Are we only matter in motion? Waves on a brain-made ocean. If I was bound to believe this way, did I find the truth or just obey? Matter in motion, hearts with no deeper devotion. You can map what the body does, but can you tell me why truth matters to us? Choice, intention, self-control, words we use when we lose the soul. Love and repentance, mercy and pride, do they still live if they're hollow inside? Personhood fading to a name on a screen, dignity reduced to a useful machine. I need more than circuits explaining me. I need a mind that can answer truthfully. Are we only matter in motion? Dust with a beautiful notion.